Hey guys, I bet you've never seen a 58-year-old grandma get excited about a leaf blower. Well, now you have. I love this. I just got it in today. I'm very excited about it. It's fall here in Central Texas and the leaves are falling everywhere. So I'm excited about having a new leaf blower, especially one that's cordless. You've got a battery right here. It comes with the battery charger, the manual. This is a 20-volt, so really powerful leaf blower. I'm excited to have it because now I don't have to cart around the top of my shop vac with a cord attached to it. So let me get to using this and I'll show you how well it works. Oh, I wanted to show you a couple of features here. So this is how you decide the power. So you can, while you're on the go, you can flip this where you want it. Hard to do into the camera, but you get the idea. Ooh, okay, let's blow some leaves, y'all. All right, come with me. That has plenty of power. Very cool. So that was awesome. I really enjoyed working with it. And I'm going camping this weekend. So I'm going camping tomorrow. So I think I'm going to take this in my camper so that I can blow off the campsite. So great leaf blower, works really well. Lightweight, so even a 58-year-old grandma like myself can handle it. And another piece that I'm going to be using it, I've got, I just got an extension kit to clean my gutters. So this is going to come in very handy to get my gutters cleaned out before the next rain. I really like it. I think you will too. Thanks for watching.